This is Good Smiley Face Maths Group Project. It's done by Kaylin, Xuan, Elden, Dian, and Desmond. This graph represents the data of the question is 150 an affordable price for a Slurpee. And the yellow represents yes and the green represents no. And the second graph represents the data of the preferences of hot and cold drinks. And the purple represents hot drinks and the blue represents cold drinks.
This bar graph represents the data of preferences of nuggets and ice pops. Nuggets are represented by blue color bar and ice pops are represented by red color bar. In lower sec, there are more students who prefer having ice pops than nuggets. In upper sec, there are more students who prefer nuggets than ice pops. For parents and staff, there are also a higher percentage who prefer nuggets than ice pops.
The first pie chart represents the preference of drinks and snacks for the lower set. The red color part represents snacks while the blue represents drinks. The second pie chart represents the preference of drinks and snacks for the parents and staff. The red represents snacks while the blue represents drinks. The last pie graph represents the preference of drinks and snacks for the upper set. The red represents snack while the blue represents drink.
We choose to put our data in a bar graph because the height of each bar is proportional to the frequency. Bar graph is a graphical display of data using bars of different heights, and it's very clear way of presenting our data. Thus, we choose to use bar graph. A pie chart outlines the types of data that can be presented using a pie chart and provides some design tips to ensure that when you use pie charts to represent data, they are clear and easy to interpret.
There's a table that shows the average of the food and drinks of lower sec, upper sec, parents and staff, and all. From the data above, we can tell that people prefer to buy drinks than snacks. We can tell that because drinks has a higher mean than snacks, and we can conclude that selling drinks instead of snacks will earn a higher profit than selling snacks. Table that represents the average of nuggets and ice pops chosen by lower secondary students, upper secondary students, parents and staff, and all. From the data above, we can tell that people prefer to purchase nuggets than ice pops. We can tell that because nuggets have a higher mean than ice pops, which shows that people will prefer buying nuggets. Thus, we will make a profit if we sell nuggets instead of ice pops.
The mean of hot drinks for lower secondary is 0.05 and for upper secondary is 0.08. Parents and staff is 0.2 and all is 0.07. The mean for cold drinks for lower secondary is 0.95, for upper secondary is 0.93, and parents and staff is 0.80 and all is 0.92. The choice of product between hot drinks and cold drinks is cold drinks. We can tell that as the cold drinks have a higher mean as compared to hot drinks, which shows that more people will buy cold drinks and we will make a higher profit selling cold drinks.
This table shows the average of the number of people who chose yes or no. Is 150 an affordable price for a cup of Slurpee? From the data above, we can tell that most people think that 150 is an affordable price, as the number of people who chose yes has a larger mean than the number of people who said no. Thus, more people will be willing to purchase a product that costs 150.
Thank you for your attention and have a nice day.